Guys, so the wife asked me to follow her on the road, and I reluctantly did. And this is where she ended up carrying me. Guys, Hobby Lobby. Listen, Hobby Lobby is a husband's worst nightmare. I love them, but I promise you, stress. So, wanna please come with me, because I need enough to help me. Just remember, Hobby Lobby, the median age in a Hobby Lobby is like 65. And I promise you, it's just struggling after struggling. May I tell you the truth? May I stress? I mean, I know what to do. And guys, after walking in Hobby Lobby for about 20 minutes, I buck up on one other, brother. One other brother, and I had to go up and congratulate him. I was so thankful. I said, thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. You saved my life. I felt so good. But please, somebody come and rescue me. Rescue me, somebody, please. I don't even know where she is now. Need help. Need help. So guys, Hobby Lobby is a great arts and crafts store, and it's a chain store started in Oklahoma with a whole bunch of different types of craft and items for your home for every occasion and every season. Again, it is absolutely loved by all ladies everywhere, but generally hated by men because we have to travel behind our wives and our spouses throughout the store. Whatever you think you need by way of decorations for seasons and for different occasions, by way of party preparations and or by way of just sprucing up your home, they have it for you. People, I walk to my tired. All different type of things. You understand? And everywhere you turn, something is there to pick up, something is there to buy, something is there. It's a lot. And she just so coordinated and me and know what me I do. I'm ready to go. I just need y'all to just, take a hint from my book. If your wife ever says to you she going to Hobby Lobby, run the opposite direction, please. Yes, because this place is a maze. This place will cause any husband to get a nervous breakdown. So, run, watch out. Does she love this? Look on that, what she love. I love this. Okay. Look on what she says she love. Eh? Tell her no. Just pray for me. Me like the rose. Yeah, this rose is nice. This could be on the Christmas tree. How much for this?
This is $35.
Wow. This is so cheap. $35. We could just, that's like nothing. We're so rich. Look what she like again. She want them up on the door. Look on that whole section. The whole section is just the cream color, yeah? Like the pink, rose pink type of color. It's like, oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Everything she say. Oh, this is so cute. I like it. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. I wasn't ready. Guys, I'm ready. You hear that? Just I'm ready now. She want to go floral part. Kill me now. Kill me now. Sanjay, come in. Don't make them trick you. I'm so sorry for the other little husbands that might end up over here. The other husbands that are here, they are struggling. Trust me. And look like the one man with it there, it look like him cut. One man with it there just give up the ghost and left. So, and me one day, you know. Me alone and she.
Stop it now.
I'm out of my league. Help! Help me please! Help me please! Where'd I go?
On the front mirror. On the table.
If you want it there, it can go there. Anything you want.
Get two.
Get Wally.
One look.
Get two and get them red beady something or two.
I'm not incorporating red any at all.
Well, get the pink something them then. Get something else. I'm not come for me, ladies and gentlemen, please. I need help. Need help. I need help. 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 Oh God, she want me to go somewhere else. Flowers for days. So, we just want you to admit say a punishment you put upon. Tell the people why you punish me so that I have to come here with you.
The only way you punish is if you're paying. Are you paying?
So the only other black man waiting at the store, see him over there, so.
Are you paying?
And he's struggling too.
Are you paying?
I thought that was why I came.
Okay, well, yeah. You're punished.
People, have a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. And a Happy New Year.